Slime ejected from cerulean vortex, zero gravity physics. Body expands, clumsy swimming, holding sapphire key. Mercury orbs magnetically attracted to scratched helmet. Contact triggers melting, metal liquefies to chrome. Mercury veins spread, under jelly surface. Half blue jelly, half liquid silver contrast. Projectile attack from rusted iron debris. Slime shifts, torus hole for debris to pass. Right side transforms into liquid silver blade. Level up. Lv.30, liquid, silver, sovereign. Slime stabilizes, confident wink. Body elongates into liquid silver spear, thrust exit.